I'm back in the library. Okay, buddy. It's none of your business. Don't you start. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit of... He thinks it's playtime. I'm gonna do a few things around here. Louis, okay, hold on. All right, it's time to get shit going on this. Last time I probably did a video was finishing up the bones of this. Okay, settle down, puppers. Just wait your turn. Can you go over here and sit? Just lay down. Good boy. Wait there. Anyways, like I was saying, before I was so rudely interrupted, so this is just the bare bones, the structure. We still gotta make it nice.
Because I decorated, I cooked, I made it nice.
First thing I need to do is, this is just really bothering me, so I'm going... My God, dude. I'm gonna finish stenciling up to the ceiling, even though we probably won't even be able to see it once this is all done. The other thing I'm going to do is go around the room and do little touch-ups everywhere, like right there. There's some in the door. Those are pretty bad. Hey, you, come on, get out of there. Louis, out. Okay, hold on. I basically have to, I'm probably really close, have to measure, this is my stencil for doing the top. So I have to measure from the tips of these little things to the ceiling. So those two little tips, I'm gonna measure from that to the ceiling, and then I'll see how that corresponds on here, because I might have to cut the top of the stencil off so that everything fits better. Hopefully that makes sense. One of the main reasons I didn't finish this is because I'm pretty sure the stencil didn't fit that last area. And I figured, oh, no one will see it anyway. But it has bugged me for 3 years or whatever it is. So let's get it done. .2 centimeters. So let's see. Okay, that's wild. It's exactly the right size. Interesting. All right, well, we'll give it a shot anyways. Ooh, so nice. Yeah, I'm coming. Holy fuck. Hey, bud. You coming to visit? You don't need to go in the hidden room. There's too much crap in there right now. Okay, just ignore the background. That room is real messy. Louis, get away from my coffee. Oh my God, the lighter color is so separated. I'll have to look it up, but I think I stenciled this room like, it's either 3 or 4 years ago, so it's been a hot minute. So I do need to come back through with the dark green again for some of this. But I mean, it's gonna be hard to notice or see anyways, so. Okay, moving on to the stencil, which means I'm gonna have to clear all these top shelves, and I'm gonna wipe down the walls because there's, you know, spider webs and stuff. and then we'll try stenciling these. Hopefully by the way I did this, you can't really tell, but doing this entire room and like getting the pattern to like line up when I like, you know, got back to the same side. Well, it happened here at this door. And the only regret I have is I wish I did it on that side, but I didn't know what side or what way the door was gonna open yet. So like, it was calculated to happen here. So that's why the pattern looks a little funny, but I should have probably just like started the stencil and like kept it going from here. Maybe one day, if I get enough motivation, I'll redo this. It's also like pretty rough and chunky. Maybe one day. Like you can even see over here, pattern is perfect. And like that's the spot you'll never see. So the other option is maybe I do like some really, really thin, actually maybe veneer. I could just use some veneer to make like a fake, shit, what are they called? You know, the things that like go around doors, like that. I think I'm having a stroke. All right, cleaning time, and apparently I have a helper. Oh, I know, buddy. Don't be hitting me. Downward dog. Downward dog. Okay, hold on. You want to lay on this? Okay, well, there's not too many books here. That's good. All right. My little friend. Oh, I need that stool. Okay, you can't go in here, all right? Just gotta sniff everything, huh? Just gotta sniff everything. Oh, downward dog. Okay, you want butt scratches? Okay. Ah, there you go. There you go. Okay, okay, keep going. You gotta keep going. Jordan taught him that, but the problem is Jordan's like 6 feet tall, and I'm not that tall. So when he tries it with me, he like lifts me up. It's funny though. You like your butt scratches. Don't bite my glasses. Stop. Okay, one more, and then I gotta get to work. Oh, butt scratches. Butt scratches. You like that? You're so weird. Okay. All right. Cleaning time, bud. You behave over there. I'm watching you closely. No, I'm not. Oh, God. No, not while I'm up here. Not while I'm up here, bud. He's gonna knock me off the shelves. Maybe one day we'll get like a cool brass ladder to roll along. Maybe not attached, but maybe where we can like hook it on. That'd be cool. A never-ending library. Three down. 4 to go. That's not bad. Yeah, I know. I know. Crazy that Are you getting bored already? You bored? You can go up there, bud. Hey, get out of there. Louie. Louie, come. Oh, I can't see you. Just a 100-pound dog standing over there. Whoa. Oh, dude. Yeah, you gotta move. Can you stop sniffing my butt? Yeah, sorry, the dehumidifier is running right now. But as you can see, all the way around the room, I didn't do the very last stencil. And they even give you one that's meant for like the final ceiling part. It's like half a stencil and you just like line it up. Anyway. So yeah, all cleaned out. And now we're gonna get to it and finish this up. It's funny because we literally just organized all the books like 2 weeks ago during Christmas. The power went out for like 6 hours or something. I know, dude. Yeah. And yeah, we just like emptied all the shelves and rearranged them. Kind of funny. So now I'm just taking them down again. Before I put them back up though, and after the stenciling's done, I'm gonna like pledge the shit out of the shelves. Give them a nice wax coating. Some new tape. Don't you love how I put my tools away dirty? Harmony Damask. Oh, look at you being pretty. Yeah, Daddy's not organized, huh? Now I gotta get some tape. Don't eat that paint all the time. Okay, I'm locking you out. Good boy. See, there's a window in there. You can't jump through it, right? We'll see how long that lasts. One of the reasons I stopped doing this was because the corners are really hard. I don't even know how I can get it all up in there. Totally coming back to me why I stopped. Because the corners are really hard and where the wall meets the ceiling is not the same all the way around the room. I think I will be able to do it, it's just a pain in the ass. Right? It doesn't have to be perfect because this is in behind everything. Okay, let's do this. Music. Alexa, play Spotify.
Okay, here's Spotify. Good news. Free early access to the new Alexa is now available to you. Want to hear my new voice before your music starts?
No,
Just
I
say,
don't fucking
"Alexa,
care.
can I hear
Stop
your
trying
new
to
voice?"
upgrade me. God damn, everything's a scam. Oh yeah, it's fully coming back to me why I didn't do this. Like every time I have to place the stencil, it has to be all like warped and wonky and it's kind of stiff. And then the other thing is when you stencil this way, when it's not like fully flat, you get paint on the backside. So I can't like, I almost have to wipe the back after every single stencil. It's coming back. I remember why I drank a lot of beer doing this last time. That's probably a bad idea. Anyway, okay, that's done. So it was like less than an hour total and actually stenciling. But it's such a pain in the ass once you like get corners and like up to the ceiling and trim. The stuff around the door is called trim. I got there. So anyways, I'm actually really super happy that's done because it's always kind of just like drove me nuts seeing it there, not complete. Even though it most likely will be fully blocked when we put the crown molding up. I don't care because I know it's there. So let's take a closer look. Oh my God, so much better. Right? Doesn't that look good? See? And like, it's not the best job ever, but this pattern is so busy, you can't really even tell. I'm loving it. I'm super happy with this. So that's it for completing the painting. Hey, bud. You coming to say goodbye too? Come here. Come on. You can come in. You just gotta jump over that. I probably shouldn't teach him how to do that. That's like a whole other project I'm working on. I'm making a stained glass template to go in there. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this one. And next, we might start scraping this popcorn off the ceiling because it's horrible. Okay, bye. I just want to say I'm so happy to be back in the library. It feels good to be creating again or working on shit or whatever. I like it. Although, since I put up these bookcases, I've learned some other techniques that I really wish I knew. I'm like scoring the back of the standards, so the back of these, so that they actually like follow the shape of the wall, and then they would, the front face for all of them would be the exact same distance out from the wall, which would make trimming everything a little easier. But, you know, I'm not a carpenter, and I was working with warped wood, whatever I could get my hands on. Okay, that is it. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Louis. No. Louis. Okay, bye.